Alright guys, so I'm gonna be fixing the Troybilt TB200 mower, self-propelled. So I guess it's been sitting for a long time and it's all clogged up in the carburetor, so I got a bolt off so far. I'm using this you're gonna need a 7mm, like one of these tiny things, socket, and there's 3 bolts, like one right there, one right there. I don't know if you can see that, but you'll probably see them. So I'm just gonna pause the video till I get these 3 bolts out. Oh, I think this black bolt is a different size, so let me find another socket real quick. Alright, it is a 5/16, whatever that would equal to. So yeah, I'm just gonna get that off real quick. And also, one thing to mention, keep your bits, like screws, in like a little container. I'm just using the air filter cover thing just to hold my screws, so keep that in mind. Alright, got that black bolt out. These are 2 different like threads. I forgot what they're called. This one's like, I don't know, that one's got those and this one's like that. So 2 different things. So we can take this off now, I'm pretty sure. Guess I'm not missing another bolt. Ah, missing another bolt. Huh, didn't see it. Okay, got that one out. Took this off. Okay, so this is a plastic carburetor. I'm gonna clean that in a little. But I don't know if y'all can see that because dookie quality. But plastic carburetor. I'm gonna look up how to take this off without damaging anything. That seems like the breather hose for the overhead valve thing. I guess that's what that's for, the breather. So I'm gonna look up how to take this off without damaging anything, and yeah. Well, it seems like it would be easier if I just take this off, but I really don't want to do that. So I guess just wiggle it off. Hold up. Alright, well, I got the carb off. Not completely off, but I just pulled a little harder and it just came off good. So I just didn't want to try to break anything. So I just need to take this choke linkage off. And everybody on the video, every video you gotta take this off, but I really don't want to. I just don't like. I mean, I can, but I just don't really want to mess up anything, which I probably wouldn't, but yeah. So there's a choke linkage at the top, and then another linkage over here on the right. So I'm just gonna take this choke linkage off real quick. Let's take this freon off, and yes, there is a gas. So I'm gonna have to do this quickly, and I'm gonna get a little container. So yeah, it's funny. I just saw. Seems like it's been sitting so long. A little wasp made its nest. It just fell under the deck. Seems like it's easier said than done. So what I am probably gonna end up doing is just taking this top cover off. Hopefully I don't mess up anything. Well, I got that off. I hope this ain't gonna cause me a problem. So I'll just go from here. Got the choke linkage off. I'm just trying to get this at this point the feline thing off. Yeah. Also forgot you could take this off. Yay! Oh well. This shouldn't be too bad. I can just empty the gas the easier way. Yes, let's go. So I'll just empty the gas thing. Seems like it's blocked inside. Yeah, that's definitely got to be blocked inside. I'm about to get my flashlight in a second, see if that's locked. I'll just do it from the top. No, never mind. I forgot. It's that trick. You just open the gas cap and it drips out from there. It drips out better because it vents. So, just emptying that out. Just spilled half of it on the ground, but I'm also gonna put some new gas. 'Cause this is like old gas, but it seems like new. So I guess I could still use it. And yes, this thing does have spark. I tested it earlier, or like in my last video, that it will start and then just die. Sorry. And some gas is on the ground. It's fine. So we're about to open up this carburetor. Alright, so now I'm gonna focus on the carburetor. It seems like there's gas in there. Can't tell. So 2 screws at the bottom. Bam, bam. So I'm just gonna get that off real quick. Okay. Oh, need a 7mm again for those 2 screws. Keep that in mind. Okay. Got the screws out. We're gonna take this off, and a bunch of gas is just dripping on the ground. So let's see if there's some in the bowl. I don't want this to explode. Oh dang, that's shut on. Hold up. Need to look at a video. It's like glued on here. Okay, never mind. Seems like it's like it was tight on everybody's video. So I'll just use like a screwdriver, flathead, just to pry it up real quick. Well, it came off alright. Just exploded everywhere right as it came out. So I got gasoline all over me. So rest in peace to me if there was a spark somewhere. But anyways, that's off. So we're gonna very gently pull this out. This jet inside. And that looks clogged just by the looks of it. But I'll just make sure on the video, and yeah. And that's just a look. So yeah. And there's definitely going to be a part 2 to this video, I'm pretty sure. So we're going to take the needle out. Give it a good little look. Don't lose that pin that's holding the thingamabobs. Hold up. Don't want to lose that. If I can show you real quick. If I can get it out at least. That. Don't want to lose that. Take that out. See how this looks. The little pin. Oh, I've had trouble in these with the past. Oh, that's where the feel comes in, yeah. I'm still learning, y'all. I'm still learning, so I can't tell if that's clogged or not. So, and I don't have any, like, brake cleaner or carb spray, you know. I could use compressed air, but I wouldn't want to, like, blow out the, thing. Hold up. I forgot something. So, yeah, I'll just put that back in there for now. Just for now. Definitely pull it out later. And put that pin back in. Just so, like, I don't lose anything and it's all back together. But yeah, there probably will be a good old part 2 to this. Maybe, if I can get it running today, that would be nice. But that never happens when I fix stuff. Oh, I guess that slides in. It slides. Sliding mechanism. Okay. Like I said, I'm still learning. So once I can just slide that in, I'll get back. Oh, I just did it. Kinda. But try to get this fuel line and other things off and keep you updated from there. It took me long enough, but here we go. I got this out, and it looks like there are no holes like I see on every other video. There's supposed to be holes, which kind of does look clogged. Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, it is clogged. So what I'm gonna do is probably just use this. Hope they aren't like any gaskets in here that I'm not aware of. Does seem clogged up. I'm gonna try the blow trick. Nah. It was definitely restricted, so definitely some stuff in there. So I guess flashlight would be useful, and I'm not gonna lie. But from here I can just see straight down. It looks clear. I'm not sure about this one though. This might be too thick of a wire. But I might try using compressed air, just not. I'm gonna use it very gently, so yeah. I might do this tomorrow, cause I'm about like to the closing point of this video, so yeah, I'll probably be finishing this tomorrow, cause today's Monday, e-learning day. So yeah, I don't have school, but tomorrow will be Tuesday, so probably jump on this tomorrow. And I'll probably just, like, after the video, just try to get this fuel line off. So probably gonna end the video here, not gonna this I know I can clean, hopefully. But yeah. So, yeah, I'm probably just gonna end the video here. And this is the Troybilt TB200 project. There's probably gonna be 3 parts to this video, cause I gotta get some more resources, like carb spray, you know, and all that. And yeah, so I guess I don't really know from here. Just I'll be finishing this up tomorrow. And yeah, so bye guys. And definitely use a drill for all this, like, not, like, just unscrew it, because it'll take forever with this like it did me. So, yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up today, and bye, guys. If I miss anything, like, I'll just put it in the description if I forgot to say something. So, yeah, guys.